Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a Helium Miner unboxing. This actually took me quite a while, almost a year to receive, but it's finally here and we're gonna see what's inside. So stay tuned. So today I'm back with a Helium hotspot from Linxdot. I bought this in the past July. Yes, you heard me right, July, and only now it arrived in April. It arrived to my hands, so it took quite a while to reach me. I'm just gonna do the unbox. I didn't open this yet. I don't know what to expect inside it. The box on the outside is almost nothing. You can see the seals. There's no stickers. There's only a sticker with the serial number and the MAC address. We're just gonna pop it open. I don't know what to expect. One seal, open the other one, and let's see what we have. I don't know if you bought one of these or any other brand. Oh, very nice. Look at it. It's like a mirror finish here on top. It's very pretty. You can see here my roof. You can see here my lightning. What we have: PT pair, that's probably Bluetooth pair. LoRa, that's RPSMA connector. USB, LAN, USB-C. I wonder what is this for. And a DC in. It's quite interesting. And that's it. Nothing else for now here. Just gonna see what's inside this box. Probably the power supply. Very lightweight. Very lightweight power supply. Oh, and here comes the antenna. And this is the Europe module. Let me just show you here a little bit. It says here 868 and 915. This is the European version, and it brings the antenna. This antenna actually fits both modules because it can work from 860 to 930 megahertz according with information here on it. So that's it. Let's just check the power supply. Very lightweight power supply. 12 volts, 2 amps, 24 watts. That's a normal power supply. Doesn't look too shabby. Shenzhen electronics, no big deal. Okay, just wanted to share this quick video about Linxdot. It's very pretty, the finish on this. There's a mirror, it's gonna be lots of fingerprints on it. It's very pretty. You can actually see my hand here on top. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.